Hi, this video we're focusing on bass sounds using the Behringer D-mini. I've got a simple 4 on the floor pattern to give some context, and for these examples I'm using memory number 6 that came preloaded in the D-mini. So let's take all this fancy stuff off, turn off our motion sequencer, take our modulation and everything off. We're on unison, square wave, contour decay is off. So let's give it a little bit of length, and then we'll start off here with our cutoff. So we can open it right up. And then we have our contour amount. And then we have our emphasis. So as we bring the emphasis up, it gives it a little narrow peak, and we can get some nice squelchy bass. Bring the contour down. Then we can get real whistle high, annoying. Okay, so you get the idea there. We go all the way back to what would be 0. We get all the lovely bass coming back. So then if we go down to our contour, at the moment we have no sustain, a little bit of decay for the length of the note, so we can make that longer. We can bring the sustain up, and then bring the decay back. And then obviously we can bring the attack back a little bit. If we go too far, it'll sound awkward and weird, so like this. So a little bit. Make it a little tighter. And then let's change the contour decay so it's on. And then I'll just switch between the two. Let's take the sustain away and lengthen it with decay. And then I'll switch again. Bring the attack back. Let's shorten the decay. depth up. Bring the attack back. Add a little length. Switch the contour decay. And then let's add a little bit of modulation. We'll switch modulation on. We'll select function, trigger sync. Let's go for random to start. Bring the depth up a little bit. Let's add a little bit of the rate. Let's bring the emphasis back a little touch. More depth. A little less depth. And then let's change wave shape. So we'll go for a pulse. And we'll add a little detune. Let's bring all that lovely bass back again. Speed this rate up a little bit. Let's change it to the triangle. And then let's change our function, so we'll go for octaves. And then we'll skip across to the ring mod. Give it a wee bit more detune. Let's change this so we go for the saw wheel. Oh, there we are. Give it some emphasis. Give it a little bit of contour decay. Alright, so let's go back to our unison. Back to our square wave. And then let's play with the motion signature. So to enable it, we press function, press on. To record, press record, make a move. Press record again, make another move. there you have it, some bass sounds using the D-mini, using the motion sequencer. Some great sounds. I could be here for hours. You don't want to be, so there you have it. Thanks for watching.